So what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel once again. You know I appreciate having you here. Stick around for today's video. It's a nice simple one. It's just me, you, the Africa Twin, and this lovely exhaust. So let's hit some of these country lanes and let this exhaust flow. Why are you going the same way as me? That's not on. Once again, love your brick wall. Means nothing to some of you, but to those of you that watch my videos, you'll know I like a brick wall, and that's a fine one. Thank you for sticking around. It's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a short one, but it's going to sound good. So I suggest you stick your headphones in and listen to it through those. Not my voice, obviously that sounds spectacular on whatever means you use to listen to my videos. That's silky smooth and godlike. But I'm talking about the exhaust, this Remus, this Africa Twin. It sounds much better when you stick the headphones in. So I suggest you do that. You can even rewind the video back to the beginning to get that first bit in so you don't miss it, and then come back to this bit and see the next bit. Another annoying thing, that taking up the whole road. Glad I'm not coming the other way. Go on, just pull over there. Pull over there. Cheers, mate. So there you go, I hope you enjoyed that one. Once again, not me talking, so I'm sure some of you enjoyed that. Just this lovely Remus exhaust on this wonderful Africa Twin. If you've got a comment, leave it down below in the comment section. I love to interact with you guys, but that's about it for this one. Really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to do all those things that you need to do. I shall see you on the next one. You know I love you all. Stay safe. Fish out.
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong, so go ahead, get gone. Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong, so go ahead and get gone.